Hello teacher, my name is Nicolas and my recipe will be making French toast. This is one of my favorite recipes for breakfast, and the ingredients are 4 eggs, half a cup of sugar, 3/4 of milk, a tablespoon of cinnamon, bread, you can choose any type you want, and strawberries for decoration. So let's begin. First, we're gonna need 3/4 of milk and put it in a bowl. Then we're gonna need to crack 4 eggs and add them to the milk. We have our 4 eggs. We are going to add the sugar, which is a lot of sugar. And we add it to our mixture. Then we're gonna add a tablespoon of cinnamon. And we're gonna add that. You can add a little bit more for extra flavor. And now we're gonna mix everything together, and then we're gonna dip our bread slices into the mixture. Once you have everything mixed, you're gonna put your pan in medium heat and put butter until it melts. And then we're gonna get next we're gonna get our bread slices, dip it in the mixture. Don't put a lot of it because you don't want it to get too soggy and then it will fall apart. Now you're just gonna place your bread, wait till it is golden brown, and you can remove. Finally, you serve in a plate and decorate as you like, and you can enjoy.